Well, if there is something unique, Core will always find it.
Well, he's always finding the good stuff. Yeah.
He is. Man, what a beautiful Monday.
It is, yeah, beautiful. This shot right behind me, Todd, I was just saying, man, Todd, I want to be down there this afternoon. This is a beautiful shot from our seaside camera. You know, it wouldn't surprise me if a couple locations along the coast get real close to 60 degrees today. They're already in the mid-50s right now. Beautiful, bright blue sunshine out there. A Ridgefield camera up there at the casino, Southwest Washington. Looking off to the south and east, you see Mount Hood there in the distance. 42, still chilly there. Boy, we were down into the low 20s in some areas of Clark County last night. You get a great shot with Mount St. Helens there from our Subaru Portland camera. 44 degrees, lots of sunshine, humidity 45%. Notice that dew point at 24 degrees. That's a dry and chilly air mass over us. That's going to allow us to cool down quickly tonight. As long as you're in a wind-sheltered area, if the wind's still blowing out near the Columbia River Gorge, you're going to stay above freezing again tonight. Boy, I've been talking about this now for 2 weeks. This big ridge of high pressure up over the west coast, blocking all the storm systems well offshore, pushing them up into Canada, southeastern Alaska, and we stay dry. Don't see any change in that pattern until we get later in the week. I'll get to that here in a second. Look at these morning lows. 22 in Vancouver this morning, 21 Kelso, 22 Hillsborough, 27 in Tillamook. You know, that's several days now in a row. Tillamook's been in the 20s, 26 at Salem, 19 Hood River, and all the way down there in Eugene at 20. So a chilly morning. Well, we're rebounding nicely, though. 44 Portland right now, 50 out in Tillamook, 50 Florence, so right around 50 along the coast. Central and east side of the state, typically cooler over there with temperatures still in the low 30s. All right, weather headlines. We'll call it a couple more days of sunshine on the way. I do see that rainy pattern, though, returning by the end of the week. Again, it's been a long time, 17, 18 days by the time we get to the end of the week since we've seen rain last. And yeah, hints of winter weather coming. Yeah, I'll talk about that here in just a second. Look at all these dry Januaries. So far, this is the 9th driest January, 2.17 inches so far. Boy, look at that. I actually remember January 1985. It seems like it was never going to rain that January. Speaking of rainfall, we're going to remain dry the next couple of days, including the majority of Thursday as well. And if we get to the 18th day, which would be Friday, we've set a new record. So we'll see how that plays out for driest stretches in the month of January. And then lots of rain coming over the weekend and lowering snow levels as well. No new snow in the mountains, obviously, but we're staying right around 100-inch base at Timberline and Meadows and Bachelor. Ski Bowl's got about 4 feet on the ground. Snowfall forecast, I'll roll this forward up through Thursday night at 8:30, but it's over the weekend when we really start to pick up the snowfall amounts. Could be heavy at times, and those snowfall levels are going to come down significantly. So they're up high now, up above the past levels. And then by Friday night into Saturday, we get into another system that comes in from the north, and this will be some of our lowest snowfall levels yet this winter. Coming up, Futurecast will roll this forward. Not a whole lot to see on there until we get to Thursday. That's when we cloud things up, perhaps a sprinkle along the coast Thursday afternoon. Really in earnest, the rain gets in here on Friday. And Friday looks like a wet day, southerly wind, so we're going to keep the snowfall level up above the valley floor. But that'll be coming down over the weekend. Futurecast shows perhaps a few 100ths of an inch as we get late into Thursday night, but more so the rain sets in earnest once we get into Friday and into Saturday. Perhaps 3/4 of an inch in the valley coming up over the weekend. Weather pattern shows that ridge of high pressure begins to break down once we get to Thursday and Friday. And once we get into the weekend, a much colder trough of low pressure coming down the British Columbia coastline. It's set up offshore right now, but if that were to be just a little bit closer, we'd be in a scenario where we could pick up some low elevation snow. So it's within our 7-day forecast. Todd will start to talk about it here. Sunny skies, next couple of days, temperatures in the 50s. Then we just slowly cool things off as we get into the weekend. And if you notice on Sunday, throw a little bit of snow in there. We'll see. So stay with Coin 6 all week. We'll keep you updated on that forecast.
All right. Sounds good.
Yep.
We'll be right back.